Let's meet Sam. He was searching for commercial dehumidifiers with modern settings. So, he explored the collection of Bright Air, chose his desired item and placed an order. Their dehumidifiers had a range of features and designed to make air healthier. Plus, they offered generous warranty options and free next-day delivery. Sam was so delighted to receive such an amazing product from them. So, like him, do you also want to buy an industrial dehumidifier? Check out brightair.co.uk or call 012992122747 for further details.